Hello YouTubers, in today's episode I'm gonna show you how to use the adaptive cruise control with the lane assistance in the Toyota C-HR 2025 C-HIC HIC model. So as you know, the first thing what you need to do is trust the car to drive by itself. It is much more accurate, as you will see, and it's zero error, I mean with the lane assistance and all that, and it keeps the speed exactly where you put it to go. And also if there is a car trespassing, it stops, it detects, and it shows you also an icon that there is a car trespassing the other car, and it's very safe. It's much more safe, really. I mean, if you're tired and all that, and there's a huge benefit that you don't need to press any brakes or engine. It does it all by itself. There's so many sensors, so many cameras in the car that it's so good. So let's start. The first thing what you need to do is you need to press this button here, this one here, okay, is to enable the adaptive cruise control. As you can see here, I'm gonna be highlighting it. There is no green. When there is no green, I mean, you can see the icon here, okay? You can still see the icon of the adaptive, but it's not green. That means it's not enabled, okay? There's some light, basically green on the, that it's like kind of driving by itself, but it's not 100% active. For it to be active, you need to be pressing this button. Once you press that, you see now it activated. It's green, and it tells you hold the plus button to go to 100 miles per hour quickly. So that's a shortcut, let's say, you can use. So now that I've pressed it, okay, and everything is green, you need to make sure also that this button here, this one here, is pressed, which is the lane assistance. Okay, without the lane assistance, it won't enable the lane assistant. Now it's green and it's enabled, and as you can see here on the lane, basically it won't be active. So you need to make sure that all these three buttons are pressed beforehand and highlighted on the cockpit. So this one here and this one, okay, two buttons basically. Now the third button is this one here, which, as you can see here, if I press one more time, it will drive faster and closer to reach closer to the car. And then if I press it one more time, it comes even closer to the car, as you can see in front of me. So it's up to you. So now that it's so close, if I press it one more time, okay, now that I pressed it and it's two, wait a minute, okay, oh, I was pressing the other button. So as you can see here, now it's slowing down because it's, as you can see here, now it disabled. Yeah, some important info I wanted to let you know. So once you press the adaptive cruise control, it will enable, okay, but it doesn't let you all the time to use it. So as you can see here, now it's driving by itself, okay, but then after a couple of seconds it will give an alert that you need to hold the steering wheel, and this is for safety reasons. As you can see here now, it's right here is the alert. You see, you need to hold the steering wheel, okay. It's still helpful, okay, so it does help. It drives by itself, and you don't have any issues. So right now I'll give you a demo, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, it's on 63, okay. You need to check if there are no cars on the right side, and even if there is, actually it won't let you, it will give you an alert. I'm gonna go to the right now, okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase the speed to 100 kilometers, and then you let the car drive by itself. You just need to hold the steering wheel lightly from time to time, and there it is. It's that easy, really. Just need to trust the car, be brave enough to press the adaptive cruise control and make sure that the lane assistance button is enabled, okay? And also check how far you wanted the car to be from the in front of you, basically. And it does it by itself all. So that was it. I hope it was helpful. If you got any questions, want to know anything about the Toyota cruise control, adaptive, and all these lane assistant, drop them in the comments and I'll make some time and make a video for you. Thank you for watching.